What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We got another video. Told y'all I'm dropping a lot today, man. We're doing a lot. So this video is about ClickFunnels. First of all, if you don't know about ClickFunnels, if you don't know, actually you know about ClickFunnels because you click this page, so you know about what's going on. You just want to know how to use it. So that's what we ought to do. First and foremost, when you figure everything else out, when you set up your account and then you make your first funnel, they're going to put you through all that. You're going to have to go through that. And then you're going to come to a page like this, right? So this is going to be like where you do a funnel at the left over here. And then I just created add new step. So now you can, figure out what exactly you're looking for. What funnel you're looking for, right? So I mean, you got a bunch of them down here. Like, they gonna give you a bunch. You can look at opt-in, email opt-in, thank you page, sales page. You got one click upsell, then you got a downsell pages, order forms, webinar registration, thank you, broadcast room, membership access, click pop. That's the pop up as a opt-in. But I mean, mostly you're probably going to try and do lead building. You're trying to build a list, right? So you need leads. You need a place to send your traffic to, so you can get their emails. Maybe you're giving them a free report, a free 3-day weekend trip to somewhere, maybe a free 3-day boot camp, or a free book, or maybe you're giving a financial analysis, or maybe you're teaching them how to do something. You're getting them on the webinar. Whatever you're doing, you're going to need a lead generation software to actually get the actual leads, right? The emails, the questions, the forms, whatever. You can put all that in ClickFunnels. That's what this is for. Websites, that's what this is for. Sales funnels, that's what this is for. So they make it very easy, drag and drop. It's not really hard to do at all. If you know how to have a vision about what you want to do, you could drag and drop stuff around. This is for you, right? So let's click this one. Actually, we're going to preview some of them, funnels. I'm going to preview some of them. So I'm going to move me out the way so you can just kind of see these, right? So first of all, the front page, you got like some title over here, big, whatever you're talking about, nice picture, clear, free bonus. You add a bonus, and then here's the opt-in, right? Here's the email button that you gotta put in email and then get instant access. And then they got a bunch of other stuff. You can kind of put a picture, and this is how it is. So I'm gonna show you 2 more, and then I'm gonna kind of edit this one to, oh, here's another one right here. Supercharge your startup and soar to new heights with our proven formula. So they got a video page. They're going to apply to work with them. A pop-up comes up, and then you can put that email in there. You can see they got the countdown clock. You can do that, 2 spots left, and a bunch of other stuff. It's on scroll, and you can kind of just edit this up to however you want it, right? I'll pick one more. It's a nice one. And then she just got watch now, right? Nothing else. Watch now, no risk, 30-day free trial. And then they put in their name, their email, their email, and then just watch now. So it's really just that easy, bro. It's not much you got to do to make a funnel page. You can just start with a template and go from there. So let's see this one real quick. Cool. Put your business on autopilot. Little picture. Nice, simple page. Let's see a webinar page, right? Broadcasting room. So if let's say you're doing a webinar, this could be your broadcasting room. And we are live. Don't close this page until the webinar is complete. At the end, you're going to get, some product or something. You got a button that's pretty cool, a countdown clock, and the actual webinar, which is like an embedded video. Kind of get straight into this because I don't want this to be a long video. I want it to be very quickly. I'm going to pick this email opt-in page. Oh, I didn't sign in. This is like the home page or whatever. And then you go down. So select template. And then boom, it goes. So then you press, you got this regular page. You hit set your domain. You got everything up here: stats, contacts, settings, publishing and automation. All of those tabs, you know, you can go into and see about it. But this is just for editing a page. This is just strictly to learn how to edit a ClickFunnels page. So you got it here. So let me move this out the way. So you got this picture, right? You can move this picture around. You got this. This is actually three boxes. You can move this around so you can edit each one for it to be, you know, precise. And free bonus. Everything is like editable, right? You can move everything around. Everything is clickable. This is what I'm trying to show you right now. And let's say you want to, right, everything's clickable. So let's say you want to change this picture up here to a picture of yourself. So you're going to click it. You're going to hit image because it's image right here. Also, you can change the image height with this 400, 600, whatever, and whatever. That is it. And that's the same thing. You can also do a link URL, which you can, you know, somebody clicks on this picture, they can go to a link. But let's just kind of edit the picture really quickly and put a face of Tyler on there, right? Hey, there's Ty. So I'm up there. I'm up there right now. And I probably would want to, you know, make this picture a little bit smaller because it's going down the screen too much. So it'd be like 400. Boom. And now it does like that. So now I'm up there how to dress like Clooney on a Carrot Top budget. That's Ty on a budget, right? That's Ty on a budget. And then you kind of, you know, change the image, change text, just add text, right? Whatever you want to do, you can just kind of add text. What else? If you want to add elements, come here, headline, subline, and it's just strictly drag and drop. Put that boy right under it. Boom, and it's right there. And you just kind of type. If you want to change the color of anything, you just come here, and then white. Oh, that's the text. It's bold, blue, and then you see how it's white because it's regular text. Now we're gonna make it blue because it's a bold, right? So that's just kind of how you do that. The next step, elements. You can do subheadlines, paragraph, bullet list. That's pretty much straightforward. Videos, straightforward. You can embed videos, use YouTube, Wistia, all types of stuff. Video pop up. That's pretty much straightforward. You just drag and drop. Here's the button. You guys want to do another button? Click to sign up, and then when you click this, then you got set action. You can set action to whatever you want on the side over here. Facebook opt-in, open pop-up, submit order, or go to the next step in the funnel, right? All types of stuff like that. And you can change what it says, hello, you know what I'm saying, button text, hello. And then that could be click here or something. And then like you can change the font of it with that. What else we got? Change the text to yellow and change the background color to white. You can do that. Themes, you can just change it strictly the theme of the button you can change, and then it'll just go how it goes, right? Or how it goes. And then advanced, you can, you know, do the button width. You can change the, I don't know without that. Kind of read, add a image if you want, put it on the side, and then an icon photo. Cool, that's that. Then we got you know, a countdown timer. Like I was saying before, you could throw a countdown timer on there, and that's right here. Everything's kind of like, and if you want to drag it up, boom, you drag it up and put it right there. So then you just pick a time whenever you want it to end. Themes, you could change the theme of it. You know, whatever you want it to look like, black, whatever. And then advanced, you can make it, man, you could just be creative. I'm just showing you like kind of the basics, but I don't want to get too much into it. If you need more, you know, more questions, more answers, if you have more questions, you need more answers, then just let me know. Come reach out to me. Find a way to talk to me. I have stuff in the description. I have books in the description. All that's free stuff in the description for you to learn more about this. Elements. Let's see what else we can do. Social share. Throw that right there. You can have those, and like I said before, everything's themable. You can change the theme, make it look blue, make it look all types of ways. And then let's say you want to add a section, full width section. You want to add that boy at the top, because you said you want, you know, maybe you want to put something at the top. You have your columns, and let's say I want 3 columns, which means you got 3 rows, 3 columns, and you can build down with these. You can build down, and it's going to section them off. You can also move it this way to kind of make stuff a little bit smaller. So let's say if I put a picture right here, right? And then I put a picture right here. Let's see. It's a background image, so I'm about to show you. You see how the background is that color? So you can really make it anything you really want to make it. And then I'm going to do another picture of me. And I'm going to do another picture of this tree right here. Right? And then you can make this smaller. You can make this bigger. Or you can do anything you want. Kind of like that. And if you want to delete this, just go up to that green delete button, bye, and that's it. So this is kind of like a quick example. You can also see in the mobile up here. Kind of scroll down to see what it looks like on the phone. That's key because you can make sure everything looks amazing. The pop-up, you can use the pop-up, kind of same elements, same stuff, just drag and drop it over, and you can see what's up. And you can pretty much create your own website, right? This is quick. If you need any help with anything else, just let me know. If you need help with anything else, just literally let me know, and I'll help you out as soon as possible. Whenever we get on the phone, whenever you can hop in my group chat. I'm starting a Facebook group pretty soon. I'm doing, just subscribe, man. Now, this is going to be an exciting time, 2019, because I will be expanding. I will be exploding myself, and I'm going to be really getting a lot more reach. So if you're here, you're watching me right now, you're witnessing something huge, number one, and you guys could be a part of it. You know what I'm saying? With me. You do business with me, you come support me, then you're a part of me. You learning from me, the guy with the suit on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, peace out. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all share, subscribe, comment, like, share, subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, hey, woo, woo, yeah. Alright, we gone.